Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ray again in the shop tonight. Got quite the roll on the videos going today, but so here's where we're at with the hood now. So I've got all the material taken off in round one of the chemical stripping. As you can see, it didn't take everything off, but there's a lot of primer. This is all primer. So I'm taking a small shot right here on this corner. You can see the shiny. This is all our second round of stripper. I'm only going a second round with a small amount because I don't trust that the stripper is going to remove the primer like it did the paint. So I'm just going to go a small spot just so I don't waste materials, because if it doesn't work, no loss, small loss, and I know that I'll have to come back to this later with a DA heavier grit 36, chop this down. It looks like there also might be some heavy kind of high build primer right here on this edge. Maybe some body filler on the corners, it looked like from earlier, right here. There's something else I want to show you right now. So I hit the tops of the fenders, as I mentioned earlier, going into the tops of the fenders. So, in my big fat belly. So I'm going into the tops of the fenders, and what I did was I hit this quick with 36 on the longboard just to see what it was going to do. And let me close up on this. See the clear coat? That's coming off in like crystal-like flakes. So that tells me that whoever did the work before did not do a good job prepping. It's coming off in flakes. It's just flakes and crystally. You can see right here, there's no adhesion at all. So this clear it's peeling off. It's junk. It's no good. Bad work. Bad people. So I'm going to make this car right. I'm going to do the job really well. That's just what I do. And I'm going to get back to you on the next video to let you know how this goes. And you guys have a great night.